Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete wallpaper on an iPhone. First of all, open your settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now, we can't delete wallpapers directly from this screen. So, we will need to head back to the lock screen settings. On the wallpaper settings, scroll down to the bottom where it says change your wallpaper from the lock screen. Now lock your phone screen. Then tap and hold on the lock screen without unlocking it. Then you will see a display of all your wallpapers. Swipe up on each wallpaper you want to remove. As you do this, a trash can icon will appear at the top. Once you have swiped up on all the wallpapers you want to delete, tap the trash can icon to delete them. And there you go. You have successfully cleared out all those old wallpapers from your iPhone. Well, there isn't a one-button option to remove all wallpapers. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.